So in the last tutorial we styled our index page. Now we will actually be connecting to the database. So the first thing we need to do is create our other subdirectories. So we will create a new folder in CMS called includes and another one called admin. Inside includes we're going to create a new file called connection.php, and in here we will be using PDO to connect to the database. If you don't know what PDO is, I'm not going to sit and explain it. Alex already has a great course on PDO, so go check that out if you've never used it before. Otherwise just keep watching. So I'm going to open up my PHP tags and we're going to assign the variable PDO to a class instantiation, and inside here we'll say MySQL : host equals localhost, semicolon db name equals CMS, and in our second parameter our user is entered. So my username is root, and third parameter is our password, which for me is also root. Now I'm going to surround this in a try catch block, PDO exception E, and we'll just exit database error. So what this is saying is if this fails, then do whatever's inside here. So we can close this for now. Now we need to include the file inside our index.php page. So include once, include /connection.php, and if we open this up in our browser and refresh, we will probably get an error because we haven't actually created the database yet. So to do this, we need to go to PHP My Admin. We need to click on the databases tab and create our database. I'll call mine CMS, and inside here we are going to create a new table called articles, 4 columns. Our first column will be article ID, and that will be an integer with primary index and auto increment enabled. Next column will be article title, varchar 255, article content, text, which doesn't need a limit, and article timestamp, which is also int. So we'll just save this, and now what we need to do is insert some data into here. So we don't need to enter anything into article ID because the column is set to auto increment. It will do that for us. So in article title, enter lorem ipsum, and in article content I will enter a paragraph from lipsum.com. Now in the timestamp we need to actually get the current timestamp, so we're just going to go back here and echo out time. Now we can copy and paste this into here, and we'll just click go. So we've created our database, we've connected to it, we've created our articles table, and we've inserted a row. I think that will be all for this tutorial. In the next part we will be actually fetching the articles from here and outputting them here.